Donald Trump rallying with auto workers in Michigan today, choosing to skip tonight's Republican debate. 7 other GOP candidates will be facing off in their second debate. Meanwhile, the former president still reeling from a judicial blow to his business empire. A judge ruling that Trump defrauded banks and insurers could have widespread repercussions for the Trump organization. Eyewitness News reporter Lauren Glassberg takes a look.
Donald Trump has always claimed he's rich, but according to Judge Arthur Engoron, he isn't nearly as rich as he claimed in financial documents. The judge saying the evidence of fraud is so clear, he doesn't even need to hear testimony about it.
He basically gave the death penalty to the Trump organization.
Attorney Michael Bachner is a former assistant district attorney in Manhattan and has been following the attorney general's civil suit against the former president, 2 of his sons, and the Trump organization. Yesterday's partial summary decision points at fraud when it came to assessing property values. Mar-a-Lago, not valued at $600 million, but $27 million. 40 Wall Street, not the $50 million a Trump organization stated, but less than half that. And that overvaluation was designed for gain.
There was a huge benefit to the organization by inflating the value of these properties. It permitted them to get additional loans, use it as collateral, a whole bunch of stuff that allowed them to buy other things and domino the effect.
And now the court will determine how much of the ill-gotten profits should be returned. The state is suing for $250 million. Meanwhile, Trump's attorney, Alina Habba, called the judge's ruling nonsensical and overreaching. His decision could effectively end all of Trump's business in New York.
This is quite a significant problem for Donald Trump and his family.
Trump's team is appealing the case and a number of aspects about it. Yesterday, the former president saying that this case is political and that the judge is denying him a trial. And yet the trial on the remaining part of this case is set to begin on Monday.